Migosi Calvin Oraro ma NMC mar Kolwa Central Kisumu nochopo e nyasi mar chiwo mich mar bas ne skund sekondar mar nyiri mar Ida Odinga. Nyasi mane otelne kod jaod bura mar Kisumu East, Migosi Shakil Shabir. Mor mogundho nokwako rowere, jopuonje kaachiel koda jonyuol kendo romo ne mich makamano e yo ma nyangafu. Nochiwo puoch kod pak ne Migosi Shakil Shabir kuom tim maber mosebedo kotimo e yor somo.
Nataka mpigie Shakil makofi, ndio ndiye alianza hii shule. Ndiye alileta foundation ya Kibos kuwa secondary. Mpige makofi. Asante. Yeye aliamua aanze shule inaitwa Kibos Secondary School. In his own wisdom, akasema ibadilishwe itwe Mama Ida Odinga for the remembrance of that great family of Raila Amolo Odinga. This bus is fully funded by NGCDF. Imelipwa kila kitu. Hakuna mzazi ataambiwa hapa ati mtoto ametolewa arudi nyumbani alete pesa. In Kolwa Central, by virtue that this school is in my ward, we have 4 secondary schools. We have this one, we have Ranger Secondary School, we have Nyalunya Secondary School, and we have Nyamasaria Secondary School. Nyamasaria Secondary School have a bus, and this is the second school with a school bus, meaning that we are moving on the right track. Naomba Shakila pende tu Kolwa Central, atuongeze bus tena huko Nyalunya na ende Ranger, ndio afikirie hizi other words.
Oraro ne mondo jiwo nyithindo mondo tima tek kendo kwayogi mondo giwe hero thumbe makaluwa ahinya mondo gitemie kata winjo swayo manyalo konyogi e ngimagi ma mbele.
It is good to listen to songs in Kiswahili and English, despite the fact that most of you parents and students who like songs in Dholuo. Students, it is good to listen to songs in Kiswahili and English, because among you, we might have students with the talents, and talents pays more than even the education that nowadays we praise so much.
Ne chuny onagi TV kawuok skund sekondar mar Ida Odinga madore Kolwa Central Kisumu East, and Steve James Odhiambo.